What's up, guys? We're at Drza Auto today. I'm working with Zackary over there and Ayden that's just slacking off on the job. They're officially out of school for summer break, so this is their project. S13, as you can see, it needs a lot of work. Zackary already started with stripping a bunch of stuff out. He took the fender, now he's getting to all the little tiny detail. Ayden, again, just slacking off, doing nothing. So we're gonna continue to take everything off. The plan is to pretty much strip it apart, prep it, clean it, prep it for painting. We're gonna paint it over the next couple weeks with this area in the engine bay and get this ready. Derek's working on an engine. We're gonna chime him in at some point on this, but he's working on that. This is going to be strictly Zackary and Ayden's project. Zackary is going to be officially driving next year, so maybe this will be his car. I don't know. We'll see how good of a job he does. But stay tuned with us. Follow our channel. Subscribe. Like. Tell us your feedback, whatever it is, suggestion. All three of us are new at this, so it's a new project that we're trying to start. Give us your feedback. Guys, we're back. Updates. As you can see, Zackary did a ton of work. He went all out. He did so much. Mostly by himself too, because as always, Ayden is still slacking off over there. But yeah, he did a lot. Yeah, you help. He did a lot. We're gonna check in with him in a little bit. He's still camera shy. He doesn't want to get in front of the camera. So it's something we're working on. Do you have anything to say, Ayden? Did you do anything?
Yeah, I did.
What did you do?
I vacuumed all inside of it.
Uh-huh. What else?
Took out some pieces.
Some pieces? Did you label everything that you took out so you could know where to put it back?
I remember I'm supposed to put one of the pieces. I'm gonna need to take this piece off.
Why?
Because it has nuts underneath it and it's
Alrighty.
a lot of rust and dust.
So you're gonna clean up that rust? What are you gonna do with it? You gotta preserve this so it could last a long time.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Sand it out, sandblast it maybe a little.
Yeah.
Put some
but I have to bring it outside.
stuff on there to prevent the rust from growing. Alright, so we'll come back and check in with you in a little bit, okay?
Alright.
Alright, guys. Alright guys, Zackary and Ayden did an amazing job. I can't wait to see what they're going to do tomorrow. They've done so much work. I got to get them to come and clean up their mess now. So we're going to wrap it up for tonight. Let us know what you think by commenting below. Please subscribe, like, share, turn on your notifications so you could be notified on when our next video is posting. We're going to try to post once a week. Also, we're still trying to decide what kind of engine we're going to put in here, so we're not sure yet if it's going to be an SR, we're going to KAT it, RB. We got a couple of different options. We could put a VQ in there. Just let us know what you think. Thanks.